Manipur take a sit. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Vikas Usam. I am from Manipur, India. My hobby is I'm here to represent my state before the world where Manipur is located, literally India, and I'm really excited to be here.
Where is Manipur?
Manipur is located in the border of Myanmar and India.
Can you say something interesting about your country? Because actually, it's my first time to heard Manipur.
My state. Just like India has 29 states, Manipur has like 32 tribes. We have 32 different languages. We have different cultures, traditions, people. So it's really a very interesting state. You can find a lot of people. Somebody said I look like Thai, I look like Philippines.
Yes, you are.
Someone who look like Thai, someone who look like Korean. Like you can find every people in Manipur, and you should enjoy one. It's really interesting place.
One question. So, for example, there's no monetary prize for this competition. Are you still going to join?
Yeah, of course I will join. I'm here to promote myself, to promote the organization. I want to be like responsible for something big. I don't really care what it is. I want to be responsible for something big. I want to have a big title so that I can inspire people in wide scale. I want to do something good for people in the world.
All right, I think that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Manipur. Yes, you are. Thank you. Kapun Krao.
I'm from Manipur, India. I'm here to make my country proud. Basically, I'm here to let you guys know where my state Manipur is located. And I would like to thank the hotel resort for giving us such a great hospitality. I will never forget this in my life. And actually, this is my first time coming out of my country. And I will never forget this memory in Thailand. People in Thailand are so very handsome, very good looking. I'm looking forward to make good friends with everyone here, my friends, in November. And lastly, I would like to thank Ms. Tanya, the National Universe Organization crew member, for giving me this opportunity to show my talent to the world. Thank you so much. Welcome.
I just want to remind that the topic that we have tonight is how to turn negative thoughts into positive. All right, so our next candidate is none other than Mr. Manipur.
All the way from Manipur, Vikas Utsam. You also have 1 minute. And if you're ready.
Good evening, everyone.
turn the bad things into good things. Let's say you break up with your girlfriend or you got fired from your work. I'm pretty sure that you'll feel bad about it, but please don't. Maybe you get more opportunity to work to a higher place, or maybe your girl is not playing with you anymore. You have the chance to look for another better girl. For myself, I never wanted to study to another state. But after I finished my 12th standard, I studied in another state in my country. But there, my friend introduced me into powerlifting and bodybuilding. So after training of 3 years, I won national champion fitness model, and I got an invitation from a male peasant in India, and I won Mr. India Grand Universe 2019. And here I am, representing my country, my state Manipur, proving you guys how I turn the bad things into good things. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manipur. Next is
Can we have Manipur, please?
Manipur, India. Okay. Can you choose
Question?
one? Okay. Mr. Manipur, your question is, how do you plan on managing your time as a title holder? Again, how do you plan on managing your time as a title holder?
Thank you for the questions. The question is really interesting. I will give the answer perfectly. To be a winner, I will follow the legacy of the Mr. United, Mr. National Universe, and I would like to help needy people like orphans and old age people to provide at least something for them and try to put a smile on their face, And mostly, I would like to find talented people, and I would like to help them show the world how talented they are. I'm ready to help people, and I'm ready to follow the instruction for this organization. Thank you so much, Thailand.
Thank you so much.
Of making an announcement of our top 5 finalists of Mr. National Universe 2019. But right now, please welcome back our top 10 semi-finalists on the stage, please.เชียร์ประเทศไหนอยู่ครับขอเสียงดังๆให้กับ10คนอีกครั้งหนึงได้ไหมฮะ10ผู้เข้าประกวดหนุ่มหล่อ
Our
ของ
top
เรานะ
10 semi-finalists.
All right. As we have our top 10 standing on the stage right now, there will be only 5 gentlemen
Who will make it?
who make it to the next round. เอาละครับและ
Nickel
ตอน
or
นี้
not for the result?
เรารวบรวมผลคะแนนเสร็จสิ้นเป็นที่เรียบร้อยนะครับ Well, once again, we make an announcement in random order. Very exciting, and please step forward, Manipur.
Our next candidate, Mr. Manipur.
Thank you for the interesting questions.
All right, so the question is, what is the equality problem in your country and how to solve that problem? Please advise.
There's a lot of equality problem in my country. I will mention some. Like female model look down male model. Female model have more fame and money than male model, and women are not allowed to go out of home after 9 p.m. I think this is really bad. We contribute the same to the society. Women contribute to the society. Men contribute to the society. So if we respect each other, each gender, if we contribute the same thing in the world, we can make a better world. So let's be respectful to each other to make a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Manipur.
So you see the members of the press are excited and so ready.
Yes, they are.
Right. All right, our top 5, would you please step backward? One step, please.
One step backward.
Yes.
Okay, so again, the 4th runner-up will be the Mr. National Intercontinental 2019. The 3rd runner-up will be the Mr. National Earth. The 2nd runner-up will be the Mr. National Globe. The first runner-up will be the Mr. National World, and of course the grand winner, Mr. National Universe 2019.
So it's very privileged that we have Kun B, Kanokkan Ingram, PR and Trade Marketing Director of Independent Wine and Spirit Thailand Company Limited, to present the award, please.
After 3, after 4 times.
ได้ยินเสียงเชียร์กองเชียร์คุณบีบอกว่าคุณบีก็สวยนะวันนี้สวยมากเลยครับเชิญครับ
Does it take to get smart?
Guys, who's your bet? The fourth runner-up, or Mr. National Intercontinental 2019, is none other than
Mr. The United Kingdom,
Alexander Ko.
Congratulations to Mr. UK as well. Congratulations. All right, Mr. UK, can you join me here? Over here, please. All right.
You're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life.
Please, for the trophy, please. So the third runner-up, he will bring back the title. Mr. National Earth 2019 is Mr. Vietnam. Ja Hieu.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul.
2019 is none other than Mr. Malaysia.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be the inspiration. 'Cause I know.
Mindoro Island and Mr. Manipur, please step forward. All right. For the award that will make announcement is the grand winner of Mr. National Universe 2019.
We are going to announce the winner of Mr. National Universe 2019, and that is Mr. Manipur, our Mr. National Universe 2019. And Mr. Mindoro Island is our first runner-up, or Mr. National World.
ขอเรียนเชิญคุณสุมณีคุณเกษมครับท่านประธานที่ปรึกษากิตติมศักดิ์ของเราได้ให้เกียรติในการมอบถ้วยรางวัลให้กับมิสเตอร์มานิพูร์ congratulations ขอเรียนเชิญคุณจอยครับร่วมให้เกียรติในการมอบสายสะพายให้กับผู้ที่ได้รับรางวัล Mr. National Universe 2019 Mr. Manipur. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Mr. National Universe 2019 is Mr. Manipur.
And Mr. Mindoro Island is our first runner-up, or Mr. National World 2019.
Congratulations.
Mr. Mindoro Island, please move in front.
Join the stage with Nathanon Sin from former Mr. Thailand Universe, Mr. National Thailand 2018 as well. เอาละครับและเราจะขอมอบรางวัลให้กับ Mr. National World 2019 เรียนเชิญคุณธัญญาสิริวิจิตรสมพงศ์ครับและเรียนเชิญคุณสุภชาติคมขาวครับได้ให้เกียรติในการมอบรางวัล So joining the stage right now Mr. Suphachat Komkhao, CEO and founder of Ryan